Hello, and thank you for being here. We are now looking inside an 8050 disk drive. And it was kind of dark, so we have a little extra light now, just looking. So what we are seeing here is, and we'll see in a moment, is we'll be able to see the spindle turning. That's down at the bottom of the screen. Sort of in the middle is the head, which will go back and forth. And just down and a little bit beside it is the stepper motor. By the way, I can still smell smoke. So I'm going to not screw up this time on what I want to do. This is drive 1. So I'm going to open 15,8, 15, quote N1 colon drive 1 comma D1 quote colon close 15, which is, it's the old way, I guess the basic two-way of doing this. It's what I sort of use because I'm familiar with it. There's also the header command. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to hit enter. And let's see what happens. So, the disk is spinning. The stepper motor is stepping, which means the head is slowly moving across the disk. So, I know this is not the most exciting thing, but certainly, if you've never seen inside an old disk drive, here is your chance to say, ooh, ah. So, round and round and round it goes. So this is a Commodore Dual Disk Drive, one-sided. Off the top of my head, I don't remember exactly how much memory or how much storage capacity it had. Certainly more. Something tells me about 3 times as much as the 4040, and then the 8250 had twice that because it was double-sided. But I could be mistaken. I should look that up. I just know it's nice to have them, and it's nice that they work. So I'm just trying to get a look inside underneath as I'm here, just to see if there's anything else that might produce smoke. But I see nothing. I smell a little bit of the smoke from before. Oh, what do we got? Did that finish? That didn't seem like it took long enough. But maybe. No, it did not. No, that did not form. So this, what I'm suspecting right now, I'm just going to take the disk out, is that this actual disk, which is not really intended for these higher densities, just isn't happy. So I'm going to take another disk. And I'll just zoom up the screen, issue the command again, and away we go. So far, the disk in drive 0 has formatted, and it actually has formatted in both drive 0 and drive 1. So while that is doing its thing, I'm just going to go over here and sit down for a second and just get you the accurate information. And I suspect it will come from Wikipedia. And yes, it will. So, the Commodore 8050, manufactured by Commodore Business Machines, Inc., type floppy drive, release date 1980, introductory price $1,695. The equivalent in 2019 would be $5,200. The media, 2 5¼ inch double-sided double density. Well, they could be single-sided because the drive is only single-sided. Anyway, we've got 4 kilobytes of RAM. What? Oh, okay. It holds 1,042 kilobytes per disk. So my estimate was off. As I was saying it, I was thinking maybe I'm a little off there. So basically, 1 megabyte could be stored on a disk such as this, and the 8250 was 2. I'm just trying to see if I got that right. Maybe I do. So, the format is continuing, and there is no smoke. This is a good sign. I am thinking that if this drive, or this disk, is working, that soon it will be done. But, oh, I'm not sure if it's finished or not. Let's try and catalog drive 1. And we got no error. Let's try and do them both. Okay, so we have successfully formatted 2 disks and an 8050. So now I'm going to do an initialize command. All it does, it just forces it to kind of go out and say, yo, look at the disks. And that is what it did. And they still are happy. So we have 1 disk that says drive 0, we have 1 disk that says drive 1. So despite the initial smoke, thankfully no flame, this disk drive seems to be quite happy. Quite pleased. I'm just going to put on my glasses. It is horrible to get old. Yes, everything looks good here. So, here we have the innards of an 8050. We will continue with more exciting experiments to ensure that this drive is indeed happy. Oh, you know what? I'm just looking up above on the upper board. Oh, no. I thought I saw maybe some paper that had done something, but no, it's a sticker on top of a chip. But it's sticking a little out the side. I thought it was touching the chips, like the pins, but it's not. I don't know what it says. Anyway, I will continue to search for the reason there was smoke, which I think I found, but very strange. Maybe whatever it was, maybe it was one of those little tiny, like, oh, what do they call? Like little stickers that say, yay, I've been tested, yay, I've done this. Maybe it smoked and burned. I don't know. Anyway, farewell from the inside of an 8050 Dual Disk Drive, made by, yes indeed, Commodore Business Machines, Inc. Introduced in 1980, 39 years ago. Bye for now.